guys, it's Megan and we are excited because we're finally doing another S.T.E.M Saturday, and we are going to be showcasing the Mobile Microscope Duet, which is a super cool little microscope that you can use with your smartphone or your iPad, or a tablet or anything that's got a little camera or whatever, and you can collect and see things up close. So let's get going and see what's inside this box. One of the cool things about this is that it has a little collecting album with it. So it's kind of like a field journal where you can go through and put all of the stuff that you find. And it comes with these sample stickers. So there's like a sample hub where you can stick them and unstick them. And then your sample stickers. So when you're out and about and collecting things, you use the stickers to do it. And then you put everything in this book, and then you can actually reuse them because it makes it easy for them to come off and on. So, and it comes with two different microscopes. It's got a macro lens and a micro lens. So we're gonna test both of these out and show you what some of the cool things that you can do with it are. We're gonna go find stuff.
This is the uHandy Mobile Microscope Duet and Mobile Microscope Lite. I'm going to showcase the Duet because it includes everything from the Lite, but also includes a macro high magnification lens. The white lens is the low magnification lens that goes from 10x to 300x and includes a cap that acts as a petri dish. The lenses fit right over the front or the back cameras, and the clip holds them firmly in place. There are sample stickers pre-made so you can quickly test out the microscope straight from the box. The kit also comes with a collection kit with pipettes, a petri dish, tweezers, and some liquid vials. The Duet comes with a nice carrying case that you can carry all of your gear in. The black high magnification lens goes from 30x to 1000x and is the first portable transmitted light microscope. The light box has a handy button on the front that you can push down with this special connector. This is where you will put your slides, your sample slides, and the little black dot lines up to connect, and push down the button so you don't have to worry about it. These connectors are magnetic, so they stay firmly on the light deck. This is for prepared slides, so if you have already made slides, the glass slide will actually act as the button holder, and then this just pops on over it. First, I'll show you some of the samples and things you can see with the low magnification lens. This is what the print on the field journal looks like up close. You can see all the teeny dots that make up the color in printed materials. Next is a close-up of a pollen pod from one of our indoor plants. We use the sample stickers to collect items outside like pollen and little bugs.
See all the little yellow specks?
Like I got some.
All right, let's go put it in our field journal.
some liquid agent. Some grass. See if that fits in. It's hard to keep it in there.
Cut it up into pieces. We gotta make it smaller anyways for the slides.
There. That's some.
Here is our field journal. We filled it with some of our sample hubs. So here's the sample hub, and then on it are each of the samples that we collected. So I just kind of wrote down what each sample is in the notebook, so you can see what they are and how they are, and then you can reuse them over and over again. So you just pull them up and then take them with you, and then you put them back in to use them later. Okay, this is the pollen granules from corn that kind of fly off to pollinate the corn. You can kind of see through it.
Yeah. Cool.
See if we can get to the tip here. Where it's a little darker. Ooh, look it. There's teeny tiny little hairs on it. Bet you that's what helps it stick to the little filaments coming out of the corn.
This is the mosquito larva that we managed to capture with the pipette, and it's on the low magnification lens on the front-facing camera with the Petri dish.
Get him out.
Here he is.
I'm gonna get him out of the water. His little face. And the legs.
Okay, we managed to prepare a slide with the mosquito larva on it. So we're going to take a look under the big microscope and see. All right, here's his butt.
His butt. He has a butt.
Yep, see? And then here's his head. Whoa.
So that is the uHandy Mobile Microscope Duet. We absolutely love this product and have been using it a lot. We go on walks, we bring home samples, and it is so cool. I think it works so well so the kids can use it with a phone or a tablet, and the learning experience is unmatched. Thanks for watching.